Hey guys, I'm actually gonna be doing a kind of like a Valentine's Day gift for someone. For me, it's actually gonna be for my children's teachers and their bus driver. So if you want to see how I do this, keep watching. I used most of my products from the Dollar Tree. So let's just get started, and I'm going to show you what I got. You're going to need a pair of scissors. I picked up these roses, and it comes with 3 of them, and I'm going to be doing 3 boxes for each of their teachers. And these are called the Velvet Roses, and I love them because they're not like cheap. They actually look pretty decent. So you're going to need those. And then I picked up some candy boxes. I'm hoping these fit in the box that I purchased. We will see. I also picked up some body cream for the teachers. And I have a lip gloss for my daughter's younger teacher. She's in high school, so got that. And then also I picked up just some Reese's eggs. And also, I'm not sure exactly where I purchased these boxes from, but I know they were less than $1. I think I got them last year when everything was like 90% off or something, so they were like 40-something cents. I have a feeling these boxes are going to be super tiny, so we're just going to kind of figure it out and see what I'm going to do. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is open them and then just kind of see how big they are. They look very tiny. Okay, so they're more of like like for cookies and stuff like that, I guess. But I thought they would be cute to, let's see how to do this. Oh, so you just put them together like so. Yeah, these are tiny. I don't know how I'm gonna fit. I don't know, it might fit, we'll see. Okay. Okay, so I grabbed some tissue paper. I'm just going to cut it in half. I just need a little piece. And I feel like this needs to be like so. Super cute. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a little tissue paper down in here. And I think I'm just going to take the top off, like so. Just kind of place it in there. And for these, they're not going to fit, so I'm just going to take them out of the box. Look how cute these are. I choose you. So cute. And just kind of set it in there really cute. And then I want to grab the rose. So for these roses, they're so pretty. So what I'm going to do is just kind of like cut it. Probably need, yeah, that was fine. So I cut it small enough to fit inside. I might do it a little bit shorter just so it's it'll fit. And then these boxes, they actually, they have the little side grooves that you can just stick these flaps in there. And then close this top piece like that. I just wanted to do something nice for the teachers and my little one's bus driver, just because they're so sweet. And I taught kids at a church school, and it's very difficult. Like, it's a difficult job just because the kids are so young, and I totally understand where they're coming from because I did it for a while. So what I'm gonna do is just tape, I guess I can do it like so, and it's just a little bit of washi. I probably got this from the Dollar Tree, is where I get most of my products from. So yeah, I thought these would be super cute for the teachers. Let me open up this other box and see what this one looks like. These are so cute. This one I'm just gonna do, let's see. Lip gloss like that. Chocolate on the side. And this is where I normally get all of my products from, is the Dollar Tree. I mean, they're just so good with their decorations and all their decor for the different seasons. And I do shop with me videos, so if you want to go check those out and see what's in my store, you can go ahead and check out those videos. So yeah, this one's cute too. So this one's going to be for my daughter's teacher. She is so sweet. I think I'm gonna do it this way. Do it this way. Like so. Those are so cute. Look at that. And then this one. Okay. I mean, these are so cute. And I mean, they don't have to be super expensive. Like, for me, I think, what did I spend? The roses were $1 for 3. And then I have an extra one. But yeah, so it was quick and easy, and it didn't, it wasn't expensive. I probably spent under $12 for 3 cute little Valentine's gifts. And it's just something small and sentimental for my kids' teachers, because I know they do so much and I appreciate them so very much. But yeah, if you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.